Hi guys, this is Srinivas once again for you. I'm working as assistant professor in Python PG courses. So still now I have uploaded plenty of the concepts regarding MBA, the engineering all about now. This is the time to introduce a new concept like differentiation. It will be useful for all the BSc students, for BTech students also. This is a very important concept as far as the differentiation is concerned, that is homogeneous equation. So the question will be like this: solve the following differential equation, that is x square plus y square of dx equal to 2xy into dy. So the given equation is available. Now we have to make this data in terms of dy by dx. So the dy by dx should be x square plus y square by 2xy. First we have to check out whether the given function is in the form of homogeneous or not. So we have plenty of models like homogeneous, non-homogeneous, exact, linear equation, Bernoulli's equation, and the equation P, equation D. So first of all, I am going to check out whether this function is going to satisfy the homogeneous condition or not. Put equation 1 for this. The homogeneous condition is if the numerator degree and the denominator degree are equal, then we can say that the given function is in the form of homogeneous. So otherwise we have one more condition, that is f of kx comma ky equal to k power n into f of xy. If the given function is going to satisfy this condition, then we can say that the given function is in the form of homogeneous. So first step is whether the given function is homogeneous or not, we are going to check out. So let us assume that f of x comma y equal to the given function x square plus y square by 2xy. Now I am going to check the condition. Now let us consider f of kx comma k. So all of you, f of x comma y is x square plus y square by 2xy. Then f of kx comma ky should be is the form of kx whole square plus ky whole square by 2 into x means kx and y is ky, that equal to k square x square plus k square y square by 2k square into xy. I am going to take k square as common from the numerator, then we have x square plus y square by, I am going to take k square as also, that is 2 into xy. So this can be written as k power 2 minus 2 into x square plus y square by 2xy. So this entire data can be written as all of you k power 0 into this entire data can be written as all of you, if you observe the equation 1, x plus y square by 2x value is dy by dx. Or we can say that f of x comma y, we can consider this value x plus y square by 2xy is f of x comma y. This is all about f of x comma y. So we consider f of kx comma ky. We consider f of kx comma ky. We got the value as k power 0 into f of x. So the condition for the homogeneous function is f of kx comma ky equal to k power n into f of x is going to satisfy the condition. Hence, the given function is a homogeneous function of order 0. Okay guys, so the given function is all about the homogeneous function of degree 0. Then the next step is put y equal to vx. If it is a homogeneous function, then take y or put y equal to vx. If it is non-homogeneous, the condition should be differ, that is put y equal to vx. Now differentiate with respect to x. So that is, I am going to differentiate with respect to x is dy by dx equal to. Now I am going to apply uv formula for this. That is u into derivative of x is 1 plus v into, that is x into derivative of v, that is dv by dx. So finally we have, which implies dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. This is an equation 2. Now I am going to substitute the value of equation 2 in equation 1. What is equation 1? dy by dx equal to x square plus y square by 2xy. Now I am going to substitute all the values in this. So the value for dy by dx is half. I am going to substitute in this. So the value is v plus x into dv by dx that equal to x square plus what is y is bx. So I get bx whole square by 2x into what is y? I get bx. So which implies x into dv by dx. Okay, I am going to write b as usual. That equal, I am taking x square as common. 1 plus b square by x square, I am taking a common, that is 2b. X square into 2b. X square gets cancelled. So which implies x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus b square by 2b. This b will become minus b here. So which implies x into dv by dx equal to, take LCM as 2b, 1 plus b square minus 2b square. So obviously 1 minus b square by 2b. Now I am going to apply variable separable concept. So why? Because take all the x terms into a separate form and v terms into the left hand side and the right hand side, we will get the integral, that is variable separable concept. So in homogeneous also we are going to apply variable separable concept. Okay, now we are going to represent this equation as x into dv by dx equal to 1 minus b square by 2b. Now we have a variable separable concept. So that is this can be written as dx by x equal to 2b by 1 minus b square dv. So that is 2b by 1 minus b square dv, that is dv into 2b by 1 minus b square, and again dx, it will come here, divide. So the variable separable I am going to apply. Why? Because all the x terms are in the left hand side and all the other variables are in the form of the right hand side, then obviously we are going to integrate. This called as variable separable. That equal to integral 2b by 1 minus b square dv. So which implies obviously if you observe here the derivative of 1 is 0, the derivative of b square is minus 2b. That's why I am going to multiply here, that is this can be written as log x. I am taking minus as my multiplication, that is 1 minus b square. Plus after completion of integration we have to put other variation as log c. The derivative of 1 minus b square minus 2b. That's why I am going to multiply minus and minus. Minus and minus again plus this minus will carry here. Integral f dash x by f of x is log mod f of x, or integral 1 by x is log x. The same tempo I am going to apply here. The derivative of x is 1. Okay, so this can be written as log x equal to log a minus log b, it can be written as log c by 1 minus b square. Log and log x cancelled, x equal to c by 1 minus b square. But in the equation, the value of v is y by x whole square, which implies after some sort of a simplification we will get x square minus y square equal to cx, and hence the given differential equation is in the form of homogeneous, and hence we got the solution. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you.